guys! Welcome back! Namiss ko kayo guys! I'm going to shopping now. So Steve, if you're watching, thank you so much for the shopping. Me, Alaysa, and Tipam, and Sister Red. Thank you so much. Guys, namiss ko kayo. Tagal ko hindi nag-vlog. Puro live.
Iti-chat daw ako ni Koreano.
Yes, I will treat to Joanna, Sir Steve. I will treat to McDonald's.
Sir Steve.
Then, Christina, I will join to shopping because it's so very late. So late.
I'm late too.
I'm late too. And Sister Red late too because
I cry.
Yes, Christina is so late. Thank you so much again for the helping me and supporting me to me, Sir Steve, to us. So very thank you so much. I will join to Christina shopping right now. And Alaysa, Sir Steve, I'm going to shopping. And Joanna is Christina. I will join to shopping right now. Guys, update ko na lang kayo pag nasa market na po kami. Thank you, Sir Steve. I will treat that. Joanna, I will treat us.
Hi guys! Dito kami sa Jollibee and na-order sila ng Jollibee. And sinirit nila kami ni Upon. Yes! Hi guys! Dito tayo ngayon sa Jollibee. At sinirit tayo ni Alaysa and Ikay. Ako mga daw ang mag-vlog-vlogan. Sabi ni Kicks. Na-order sila ng Jollibee guys.
Ayan lang.
Hey!
Hey!
Thank you, Sir Steve.
Wait lang.
To
us.
Ikay and Alaysa and Sister and Pam.
I'm the Jollibee. I will Christina treat for the land, Sir Steve. Thank you so much, Sir Steve, for the blessing, for everything. Thank you so much for helping me, to me, and to us and my family. Thank you so much. I will waiting order. I will wait my order. Chicken. This is my favorite, Sir Steve. Chicken. Now. Thank you so much. Sir Steve, the money that you gave, I will give to Ate Pam and Ate Sister Red. I will give to them. For Sister Is, I will give to them. Thank you so much for the helping me. Thank you. Love you always. Don't forget to take your medicine. Please, not so very late. Me and Joanna. So very late now. I will get some Oreo for you. Guys, waiting pa tayo. Tinake out ko din yung ating baby Sir Steve. Spaghetti and burger. Best ito. Ito take out ko. I will take out my daughter. Joanna is so very cold in the Jollibee Sir Steve because it's so hot. I will eat my lunch. Sir Steve, let's eat chicken. That's it, guys.
Bigyan tayo ng bigyan mo tayo dali pa.
That's it, guys. Sir Steve, let's eat chicken for you. First bite. First bite.
First bite.
For you, Sir Steve. And Coke Flow. Kain po. This is for you, Sir Steve. First bite. Lagi mo dito eh.
Okay na ka ba?
Spicy yan sa iya.
Nandiyan na kay Ara, take out.
I'm done. I'm done eating. Ice cream for you, first bite. Ice cream. Hold on.
Wala naman yung tubes. Ang haba, ikat mo na dyan. Ang haba na.
Nabibilisan ko to? Bibilisan ko yung kain ko.
Ano din ang basos mo diyan? Kain, boss?
Nabibilisan ko na lang.
Oo nga. Yung una, may boses.
The store now. Ayan na. Dito na, best. Dito, best.
Sir Steve, I miss shopping.
Joanna is... Ano I miss shopping?
I
miss shopping.
miss na yun.
Okay.
Bili tayo ng favorite ng Sir Steve Oreo.
Wow, Oreo
Sir
for
Steve,
you.
Oreo for you.
Wow, I will buy it now.
Yeah.
Oreo, ito. I will buy the Oreo. Oreo, Sir
Your
Steve.
favorite
And
Oreo.
you, my favorite Oreo.
Wow!
Ba.
And Upot, my favorite. RR.
Joanna is... Sir Steve... Okay, Joanna is helping
Yes.
on the vlog.
Always Kay helps
Aba. Wait
to
lang
you.
na. Basta tinapay.
Mas pumunta ka ito ang tinapay. Meron tayo Chips Delight. Sir Steve, very yummy.
Yeah.
Sir Steve, I'm watching to her because because
ano?
yes, Christina and me, I'm late. Be next time. Tama ba?
Maybe next time, Sir Steve. I will
Sir
go with-
Steve,
Maybe next
they
time.
said they're late last night, but I hope next time
Yes.
they will shopping too.
Sir Steve!
Wow. Wow.
Oreo. This one too.
Ay, I seem yummy. I seem good.
Good. Okay, Sir Steve.
So daming bread. Kwang. Yeah.
Sir Steve, para for you.
Yes. Tamang watching lang kami, Sir Steve. Pero I'm so happy to hear. Yeah! Ay, may taga-video ka po.
I will buy it.
Wow, my favorite.
This is my favorite, Sir Steve. And this one, Delight.
Guys, dito siya nagbubukas. Ay, itong tamang bukasan. Bulak. Yes. Guard.
Kape.
Wow, so full, the cart. Yeah. Oh. I hope soon. Ay, sorry po. Daming juice. Ay!
Chucky.
Nulay mo natin yung isang nalaglag.
Lahat ng flavor kukunin natin.
Wow!
My baby, Sir Steve. Stop.
Ay! Tapos, ano nakakatawa dito? Ay! Bakit po? Nagutotwash din naman eh. Kasi sabi mo lang isang toothbrush.
Let's kunin mo yung tatluhan na Kojic. Yan. Abili. Pabrok ate. Kajik, pare, kay pumuti. Pare ang iyong kasingit-singitan, ay pumuti.
Yes. From the upot.
Kajisan.
Justina roll.
Johnson.
Johnson.
Pag wala nang bunga nga.
Tender care. Pampawala ng putok. Yun lang guys. Sorry guys because I'm so happy lang.
Wala nang ima.
Ay! Wow! The cart is
Me.
Sandara is the cart is the full.
Going The card is full.
Yes.
But now I'm so happy my daughter seriously because she so surprised it that I'm so very happy my daughter. Thank you so much.
Yes, Sir Steve. Thank you always for your sharing your blessing to them. Right ba? Wow.
Candy.
Oh, say, maganda.
Nasa isang candy. Candy yun.
Candy daw. Ayun ang candy best.
Candy.
Doon best ako lang.
Birthday lang niya. Daw sa bahay nila, nagluto siya ng iwan na ay para sa amin.
Doon best.
Nakatayo sa ng bakuran, naghihintay. Ako'y biglang umabay sa akin. Sa paglingon ko, mapadudot ay si AJ yun. Nalamig ako ng sobra.
Wala. Wait. I will buy it for you to chocolate.
Pero
Favorite.
Wow, Princess, yeah.
Yes.
My daughter is so very favorite.
Same.
Oh, you like that?
Yes.
Okay, I will buy it for you.
Thank you so much,
Buy
Chika.
it.
Thank you so
This
much.
time I will buy it, Joanna.
Yes.
This is my favorite, Joanna.
Yes.
This one. Okay, I will buy.
Thank you, Kix.
You're welcome. I will.
To TikTok.
And then, are you for this? Thank you, Joanna. Isa is done. Hala, isa is done. Sir Steve. Okay guys, update ko na lang po kayong pag okay na po. Thank you po. Sir Steve, thank you so much for the helping me and supporting. Thank you so much. Love you always. Shopping. Waiting to tricycle drive. Wait to tricycle. And nakauwi na tayo. Init. So, init guys. Okay, maglilinis po muna ako ng ref bago ko po ilagay ito. Nakakahon. Sir Steve, I'm home now. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. So hard. Wait. Take a rest. See? Okay, my fridge is full. Thank you so much, Sir Steve, for always sharing your blessing. Okay guys, isa yan. Alright. Mamaya ano ko na lang to, yung lalagay ko na lang po siya sa rep. Kasi madumi po yung rep namin. Rep. Gawa nung nakaraan nung birthday po ni Ineng. Nilagyan po siya ng mga gulay. Ngayon po, lilinisin ko po muna siya. So, nakauwi na tayo. Ang init. Init. So, nakauwi na tayo. Then, ayun na lang ilalagay ko dun sa rep. Tapos yung upuan kasi alis ko na lang po muna doon para mabuksan. Kasi nandun yung upuan, eh hindi naman na ano na. So, guys, update ko na lang kayo kapag okay na yung ating Sir Steve, thank you very, very much for always and for everything. That's, oh my God. I'm take a rest now. So very hot in the Philippines right now. Thank you very much, Sir Steve. Wait, Joanna is calling me. Wait, Joanna. What, Joanna? I will bug it.
Okay na.
Wala pa. Joanna is calling to me because he is crinkles. Crinkles. Oh, this is house, Joanna.
Yes, my house.
Short video, Sir Steve. If you're watching short video, I will dance. Wow, 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 wow. I will dance for Joanna. Eliza, Eliza and me, I will dance by
very
Shaki. But now, me and Eliza is done. Sacrifice. Hi, Sir Steve. This one. This is Joanna's for you. I will buy it. Joanna's. Crinkles. Joanna,
Yes.
I will give to Joanna crinkles
Thank
for
you,
helping me
Kikay.
on the store.
Thank you, Kika and Sir Steve.
Okay,
Thank
you're
you so
welcome.
much.
Thank you so much
Bye,
again,
Sir Steve. Take
Thank
care
you.
always and safe drive.
Yeah.
And don't forget to take your medicine.
Wow!
Thank you always.
Thank you. Love you. Yung guys, katapos na po tayo magpatas ng mga binili natin at mga pinamili. So, tinulungan po ko ni Joanna. Thank you, Joanna, for the help. So, guys, tapos na po tayo mag ano ng ating grocery. This is slick, my grocery. Look. This one is that my ref is very full. Sir Steve, thank you very much. Sir Steve, my refrigerator is very full. My daughter is so very happy. Now, yan na siya, guys. So, natapos na po natin. Okay, tomorrow I will buy the egg. And so, this milk, baby, the shampoo, soap. So, guys, thank you po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin dyan, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood. Thank you so much po sa lahat. At, and thank you, Lord. And thank you for Sir Steven for always sharing your blessing. More blessed to come, Sir Steve. So hot. Okay guys, so tapos na po tayo. So guys, dito ko na lang po muna tatapusin ang aking vlog. Thank you po sa lahat. Sana po ay lahat po tayo ay mapanood to. Lahat po tayo ay sana supportahan po tayo sa lahat. So Sir Steve, thank you very much for always sharing your blessing to me. For everything, always to them. Sharing your blessing to them. Thank you so much. Because of you. Thank you very, very much, Sir Steve. Love you always. Don't forget to take your medicine. Wait. Okay, guys. Ito na po muna tatapusin ang aking vlog. Salamat po sa lahat. And sana supportahan po ako. So, maraming salamat. Dito ko na lang po muna tatapusin ang aking vlog. Sir Steve, Sir Sino ako. Kuya Jimbo, shout out po dyan. Thank you again, Sir Steve. Love you. Bye.